Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a blue and white eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to be using the Mikayla X Glamlite Paht 2 palette. I really like this palette a lot, with the exception of it broke and I still have yet to fix this girl. I don't know what it is. I can't seem to take time to fix her. So I know quite a few of you have been waiting on this tutorial, so I'm just going to jump right into it. So I'm going to start off with the shade right here, which is No Harsh Lines. I'm just going to start packing this on my transition area. And this is just a really pretty light blue. And of course, the brush that I'm using today is from my Temu set. I really like this brush for my transition area. Definitely want to make sure you're tapping off your brush though, because it is powdery. Now that I have that, I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is 2021, and I'm going to add that in my crease. Bring it up a little, just to add a little bit of depth, but I'm not going to take it all the way up to my eyebrow. I'm just going to keep it more in the crease, really. And these colors are just so pretty. And just blend them together. Okay, so I'm going to take this a little pencil brush, and this is again out of the Temu set, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is I Love You, and it's a really pretty just light shimmer shade, and I'm just going to start putting this shade on the outer corner. I absolutely love this shade. This is actually, I would have to say, probably my most used shade out of this palette, just because it's just a pretty ice shimmery blue, and I just love it. I don't have another color like this. That is why I like this one so much. I am going to bring it up into my crease, and I am going to bring it around. Keeping it in my crease, but just bringing that shimmer around. I actually have a few more tutorials that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a pink and white very soon. So now I'm going to take just a flat brush from the Temu set, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Glazed. There is this white shade right here called Poppin', but this one has like a purple tint to it, and this one is just white. So I want to do just the white shade, and I'm actually going to take that all the way to the inner corner as well. So I'm basically like starting from my inner corner and bringing it onto the lid and just filling in the space where I didn't put the blue. And I just love a blue and white look. And just same thing on this lid. I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner and bring it right onto the lid. I just love this white shade. This white shade is so pretty. I'm also going to take the same brush, and I'm just going to take the same white shade and put on my brow bone. This eye look is pretty simple to do. So now I'm just going to take a small pencil brush and go right back into that I Love You shade. And I'm just going to run that right underneath my lash line. And this shade is just so good. I love this shade. And I'm going to add a little bit more of this black eyeliner, just to make it pop a little bit more. Now I'm going to take my blue liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to run this on my waterline. So this is how I get out of my comfort zone without actually getting too far out my comfort zone. I'm just going to take this blue liner and run it right across the top. This liner is pretty easy to use. I wouldn't say that it's as easy as my Oakland liners that I like to use. But I mean, it is pretty good. And I just really love the shade of blue that it is. I think it's just so pretty. And yeah, I just think it looks really good with it. It's very subtle. You're not going to see it from like very far away, but I like it. I like how it looks together. Also, just going to add a little bit of brow gel really quick. I'm about to run out to the dollar store, so if I find anything good, I will do a haul when I come home today. And of course, I'm going to curl my lashes with my heated eyelash curler because I love this thing. I think it works so well. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. A really great formula. It really does make your lashes look pretty thick and long. It's one of my favorite mascaras to get from the drugstore. So this is 1 coat of mascara and this is 2. I really think that it does a pretty good job at lengthening and volumizing my lashes. So I do like this one a lot. Okay, girl, so that was my quick little tutorial on a blue and white eyeshadow. I love it. I swear I do this look every single time I wear this sweater because I just think that it matches so well. As always, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.